for the father to son. Tallest hotel in the world. It's going under construction just behind. First, I will let you get the pictures. I will give the information on that. And the
lactose-free milk. Yas Island. We have driven to Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi. I think that's how you actually say it. We're in Yas Island. I can already see the Yas jokes. All right. I think it's a marina or something. Over there, I forgot to film it, but there was a Ferrari like track or something. Abu Dhabi is like about 30 minutes away from Dubai. It is another Emirate. You know, I kind of understand why people wear flowy pants in the summer. I think it's because it creates some wind, so you're less hot. I think because it's so flowy.
That's a hotel, no?
That's a hotel?
Yeah, glass. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. We're in Abu Dhabi.
Come on, wind. Okay, I lied. The flowy pants are only half working. It's hot. Ooh. Don't talk to me. Yes, island. I'm an island boy. Bottle of water. Small bottle of water. So we're at the Louvre Abu Dhabi, and apparently it's the same name as the one in France, and United Arab Emirates literally basically like rented the name for 30 years, and they pay France $85 million or dollars, dirhams, I don't know, a year. Either way, it's a lot of money just so they can use the name for 30 years. That's crazy. It's my boy King Tut. Never mind. It is not King Tut. I take everything back. Whoa. All of these things are so interesting to me. I like, okay, give me 1 second. Sorry. Like, I took an art history course in university, but to be honest, I forgot everything about it. All of this history stuff, these bases have like a story always behind them. And I think it's so cool. I forgot, like something, the details of this something, carving, something. These structures remind me of Animal Crossing. So there's a character named Red. He always sells fake paintings or statues. So where's Red at? Red, is this real? Don't let him sell it to you for only 5,000 bells, okay?
Don't take her advice.
It's not Apollo, it's Alexander the Great.
Who's Apollo?
I don't know.
Apollo the 13th? Is he the one who landed on the moon?
Yes.
Oh. Wait, it's that group, right?
Okay, but all jokes aside, I actually really think art is so interesting. It's like a part of history. This is what they, you know, think is valuable. This is probably jewelry. Wait, it's not jewelry, it's not jewelry. Oh, it is jewelry, it's jewelry. So these are coins from Greece and Rome? Yes. This is actually the history of crypto, right? This is the fingerprint of the pharaoh. I used to know how to read hieroglyphics like a super long time ago because I was so into it, because it's basically just like letters representing a picture, but now I forgot. I love columns. Asian Buddhism texts, I think this was. I want to be Buddhist. Like the concept of mindfulness is so interesting, and I think it's so doable. I like that mindset. Speaking of Buddhism, the Buddha. Whoa, this is a huge bowl. Is this the origin of the, you know,
The dog?
You know the things in the playground?
Oh yeah. What?
The map of the solar system? Not solar system, yeah, kinda. Constellation. The origins of design. Whoa, is this, can we press this?
I would not. I would not.
Whoa, this is cool. It's like we're in a room. You know, this really looks like a dance room. The origins of a dance room. Should I learn a choreo right now? It's so hot. And I'm trying to find the exit, but I feel like I'm still in the museum. It's really nice outside though. It's so modern.
Yeah.
How are you? Are you hot? Too hot?
Can you take my picture?
Oh my god, you scared me. So we just came from lunch, but I didn't film it because, I don't know, whatever. It's just like a buffet. I don't know where we are, but there's like a small sandstorm happening. It's not really, you can't really feel it though. When we used to live in a flat, we had a balcony, and whenever there would be sandstorms, the sand would like accumulate on the balcony, and we had to like sweep it off. So I think all the houses here, like all these apartments or whatever, they're probably gonna have that. It looks foggy on camera, like you can't really see the buildings, but it's actually sand. When you take a shower when you get home, you'll see all the dirt. We're at a heritage museum now. There's so many date trees. Apparently you can grab the dates yourself in the next like 2-3 months when they start falling off. They put them in like little sacks already. Hey. No. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Oh, he's crying. Oh, wait.
Ishti I kind of remember the national anthem still. I'm not pronouncing it properly though. You can't really see the buildings over there because there's a sand, like it looks like a wall, like there's a white wall. So if you were driving here, you have to use the high beams. You use it for the sand, not fog. Well, it gets foggy here too, like when it gets colder. Everything is sticking to me right now. This shirt I'm wearing is so tight, and it feels like I went swimming because of the sweat. This is goat skin. Not my friend, Mr. Goat. There's another Mr. Camel over there. Hi, Mr. Camel. You know, being hot is a mindset. I'm not hot. I'm only sweating, but I'm not hot. No, it's giving me some natural glow. What highlighter do I use? Sweat. Reception.
For the key, some next time. Otherwise, your friends are.
Thank you. No problem.
Hey, so we just went to the mosque and I had to buy an abaya because my shirt was too sheer. So if you want to come here, be very prepared Buy and abaya. There are like those really nice ones that are like super fashionable. If you want to buy one, you have to buy one before. So it was really pretty though. I didn't take any pictures of myself, just the place. We're at the second hotel now. It's pretty old. This background looks like, oh, my flash went up. This background looks like, you know, your photos from school. Anyways, so our luggages have been in like our bus the whole day, and I feel like my clothes are sweating. Well, my camera died. Do you ever wear sunglasses just to use as a headband? But I just showered and I don't want to do my hair, so just... Also, don't you feel like the shower felt like a power wash? You know those, it felt like those the hoses that you use for the car to clean your car, but instead of one, it's like 5 of them going like this on your back. It actually felt kind of nice, but kind of hurt. But yeah, we're gonna go out to eat or something, or like grab some little food snack thing. Okay? I didn't do it. I had a dream that we stayed in a hotel exactly like this. Like this was the corner. Like it looked exactly like this corner. Now I'm scared. Because, oh sorry, I'm eating the brownie. Because it was so vivid. Like I remember it looking like that, like exactly that corner, and it was a hotel too. And now we're here. That was a couple of weeks ago. I didn't dream of it like recently. Well, that's weird. Did I ever tell you I'm psychic? So this is what the hotel looks like. It's very old, but I kind of like the interior of old hotels. Maybe not like the actual hotel room, but. This mall was super old. Alright, we're back now. We have to pack again because we're moving to a new hotel tomorrow. Going to Al Ain. Alright, see you tomorrow. Peace.